papuntang Japan, my big luggage was 16.8 kg. 16.8. Ano na ngayon?
Let's see, because I have to put stuff there.
No!
You cannot.
Ooh, I think mga 25 pa.
Uy, 26 pa na, ha?
Basta may butang.
Katamasa kong ka ng carry-on.
Gosh!
Golly
Oh,
gosh!
babe, you have to help me.
Yeah.
Not so tiny to know that what's coming from you. We're going. Thank you, accommodation. It's been nice. Thank you for serving us for 5 good days. And we're gonna go.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
Dito na pala tayo sa Narita 3. We are just having our brunch. Wait, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock na pala. Let's eat. Uy, ipakita ko sa inyo kung anong kinakain natin. Seafood na with noodles.
Ang susubaw.
Sabaw. Oh my God, ang sarap.
Yan naman ang mga food.
Very shellfishy. Nakikipangha ba? I can't understand. It's really good. So, iniwan namin yung luggage namin dito pala. Coin locker. Ayan. It's $600 for the 2 big luggage kasi para hindi namin bit-bit. So, okay na. It's time for us to check in, guys. It's time. Let's go.
It's more than
Alright.
6 hours.
Ah, yeah. Hindi namin alam na meron palang 6 hours pala to siya. Oh, that's okay. Few hours lang tayo. 2 hours lang siguro. Tapos na kami makapag-check-in, guys. Andito tayo, namimili ng pangregalo sa mga kids. Hello? So nice. Pero nasa what? Ang cute na ng mga fossil designs ngayon. Maganda yung nasa middle. Tsaka yung nasa gilid. Sa right side. Totoro dai. Another Totoro.
Ganyan yun, nice. Kinama na dito sa corner.
Oh, yeah. Kalma na chika sa inyo. Ito na. Ngayon na yung chika natin. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly show you yung ating accommodation. We stayed here last time and very convenient siya kasi very close to the airport. So, andito tayo sa Savoy Hotel. Just a very quick tour. Yan. Tapos, ayan na. Whee! Oh my God! Hello, Philippines! Hello, world! Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday to the Philippines.
And right now, £50
Uy, grabe jud ka. Haggard.
for a family of 4.
Emperador. Okay. Very nice naman yung ating outside. Oy. Nice yung view dito, day. Fairness lang. Buti na lang dito tayo nilagay ni ate. Pero yun nga, guys. Andito tayo sa Manila. Hindi naman tayo magsistay dito ng matagal. Hopefully, matagal, no? Parang sarap na magstay dito longer. Pero hindi eh. So, one night lang tayo dito. Tapos, flight na natin is Manila to Sydney na. So, mag-Australia na tayo bukas. Ay, nako! Pero alam nyo ba, susulitin natin yung stay natin dito sa Pilipinas, guys. And I mean, sulit talaga kasi ngayon, in a few minutes time, magpapa-massage kami ni Michelle. It's already, anong oras na ba? So, it's already 12:55, guys. Nagpabook tayo ng massage at 1:30. Diba? Sulit na sulit talaga. So excited. Ay! Kasi yung massage sa guys, sa Japan, medyo expensive kasi siya. So, sabi namin, ay pupunta naman tayo ng Manila. Why not? Doon na lang magpa-massage. Ano yan? I'm so excited. Look, grabe sad. Uy, grabe rasad na siya. Guys, I'm so excited. We're going for the massage. And then, andito na yung Uber natin. Ay, Grab pala. Ang bilis-bilis. Ready for the massage?
I love this girl.
Oh, no. Tapos na ang ating massage session. Oh my God, it was so good. Ay, sorry. It was good. Nag-scrub, tapos massage after. Ay, ang ganda. Our skin is so soft now after sa ating massage at saka scrub. And, of course, sabi ko nga, susulitin natin yung ating stay dito sa Manila or sa Pinas. So, meron tayong pa-Jollibee! Oh my God, alam nyo ba anong oras na ngayon? It's almost 4 AM. Walang tulugan. Uy! Kain tayo, guys. Kasi this is the best. Ay! Guys, oh my God. Actually, sleepy na ako kasi of course, hindi tayo comfortable sa sa plane. Hindi tayo nakatulog ng maayos. But, Jollibee is Jollibee, guys. And we really have to eat it. May isa pa kaming gustong kainin, actually. Manginasal. Ay, nako, manginasal talaga. Ay! This is the perfect one, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? We have the chicken, of course, rice. We have the spaghetti. And, of course, we have the burger steak. And, yung in-order ko na drink is the pineapple juice. And also, peach mango pie. This is so heavy. Kain tayo, guys. Wala tayong table, so let's just be careful. Kain tayo dito sa bed na to. Oh my God. Uy, I did not take a photo. I should take a photo. Okay lang yan kasi marami tayong carbs. Dikit pa dyan akong rice sa Oh my God. Rice pa lang. Wala din kasi tayong proper meal. Gusto din talaga tayo. Pero sabi ko, I was so sleepy. Feeling ko makakatulog lang din ako kahit hindi kumain. Pero Jollibee guys, we have to eat. Ang sarap talaga.
Taba akong plastic.
Gawin natin dito pa. Ang sarap. If you haven't been to the Philippines for a long time, you're missing out. Kasi alam nyo, yung Jollibee sa ibang bansa, like sa Vietnam, na-try namin, hindi ganito. Hindi ganito kasarap. Ano kayong nilalagay nila dito? So good. Yung chicken natin is spicy. Yung powder lang ba? Pero ang sarap na. Yung powder lang talaga on top. Let's try the burger steak. Burger steak.
It's good.
It is good. It is good. Mga inasal din talaga guys. Sana makakain tayo ng mga inasal. Meron tayong lunch bukas. So I don't think we can eat mga inasal. Guys, look at the chicken guys. Ay! Focus on the chicken. Tapos gravy. Sarap.
Kira kayo. Ako na misa.
Ready na kayo sa spaghetti. Paling tatalo sa Jollibee. Sweet spaghetti. Guys, we are gonna try the peach mango pie.
Good.
Oh God, sarap. So good, perfect. Now we're just gonna drink the perfect.
Hafta?
Yeah.
Awado.
Pineapple. Perfect. Perfect. Ha?
That's sound effect.
Uy, hindi ko na kaya yung spaghetti. Kuno ko yung si spaghetti. We are segregating our stuff, guys.
Put Sam's one.
Because we... Uy, saan naman itong hair, eh? We're gonna see Michelle's family tomorrow. So, bibigyan niya ng pasalubong kanyang mga tita. Tita. Marami tayong nabili guys from Don Quijote. Mga chocolates na to from Don Quijote ito. Oh yeah. So, ayan, hindi ko napakita to sa inyo because, ano nga, hindi natin pwede ma-open. Ngayon lang namin na-open, no? Nag-segregate kami dito. Ayan, sa mga bibigyan natin ng pasalubong. And this is for Sister.